I'm just gonna like wear this hat today because I just got home and I decided, you know what, I need to do a Birchbox video. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am back with another Birchbox opening video, and this is the, hold on, I don't really know which month this is anymore. This is the July Birchbox. It has a pink and yellow and purple tone in it. They have a different kind of box this month because it opens up like this, and the old boxes used to look like drawers like this. Love it. I'm just gonna do this video very fast because the light is very dim at the moment. I am only using the nature's light. I'm gonna have to do this as fast as I could. The only different thing that I'm doing today is that I already opened and used some of the products that is in this box. I pretty much have an idea of what's inside and what some of the products are like inside. So the box smells good this month, and like last month it didn't smell like anything. This month it smells gorgeous, very gorgeous. Okay, so this is the stuff that's inside this box, and it's so easy to show you guys what's inside it right now because it just opens up like this, except everything falls out. First thing that I see here is a hairspray. It is a Percy and Reed hairspray, but the problem is I don't really use hairsprays because they give me headaches. I don't know if you get headache, but I get headache when I wear hairspray. But I will still try this just in case it works well on my hair and it won't give me a headache. The reason why I get headache from hairspray is because of the smell. I'm gonna try this one. Ugh. No. Okay, the next thing that I see here is a shower scrub. It has a lot of writing in it. I don't want to read it. It says here, totally selfish, indulgent, in love with your self product. This is only for me. This is a selfish product that only I can use. Only I am allowed to use it. So let's smell this. I don't smell anything. Oh, no wonder I can't smell anything because it still has a foil. Okay. Ooh, but this smells really good. It smells super good. It smells really, really sweet. Okay, let's move on to another product. So the next product that I see here is a congested skin serum. So you apply this to all your blemishes. Apparently, it diminishes the blemishes and calms the inflammation without causing any dryness or irritation. Ow. Okay, this is from Balance Me Natural Skincare, and it'll be great to try this because I do have some spots going on like right there. I like to smell products in this channel, so let's smell this one. It's creamy. Oh, it smells like vegetable, or it smells like a herb. Aloe vera, that's what it smells like. I can smell a hint of ginger, aloe vera, some basil mixed in this product. That's what I smell from it. Yeah, but it's not appealing for me. It's kind of weird. I don't know if I want to put that on my face. Okay, the next product that I am going to show you from this box is this. Yeah, this one. This. I have tried this and I love this product, and I want to buy this again because it's just amazing. Yeah, Marcel BB Cream Golden Glow Illuminator, and I have been using this for a while. It is a multitasking BB cream. It gives a dewy finish. It hydrates your skin. It is oil free formula, so it's great for my skin because I have kind of like an oily combination skin. Usually when I use BB cream like this, I always get breakouts, but I have been using this for 1 week and I did not get any breakout. The spots that I already have on my face, it was already there, but when I used this, I didn't get any more of what I already have, if that makes sense. Feels like skin. You know, it's just a light coverage, evens out my skin tone. So light and hydrating, and it just feels really comfortable on my skin. I would totally recommend for you. The next product that I've already opened and swatched, this is a multi-purpose powder. You can use it on your cheeks or your eyes. Oh, and you can use it on your brows as well. What? It says 3-in-1 brow, eye, and cheek. So this is the color there. So it's not totally pigmented, not so pigmented. I was expecting that I'll be able to use it as a bronzer because I have no bronzer that I can bring with me in my little mini bag or backpack. I thought it was going to be dark enough. That's all that's in there. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I do a lot of Birchbox unboxing video. I also do travel vlogs and reviews and makeup tutorials and whatever really I feel like doing. Do subscribe and let's be friends. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.